Prompting is the new searching. AI can open doors we do not yet know exist. The danger is not that AI wakes up, but that it never does and still runs the world. Life is chess. Most people play it casually. AI turns you into a grandmaster, one brilliant move at a time. Technology has no moral stance until humans decide how to use it.
AI will not replace you, but someone using AI might.
Getting you future ready. AIGIP gets you future ready.